Let's work on metric units of length up to 100. Lily can imagine being 4 meters tall. Evan can imagine being 4 meters taller than Lily. How tall can Evan imagine being? Let's use our scratch pad to help us. So let's visualize Lily. So Lily says that she thinks here that she can be 4 meters tall. And then Evan, so I'm going to put an L down here for Lily, and then Evan thinks that he can be 4 meters tall as well, but then he thinks he can be 4 meters even taller than Lily. So he can be 4 meters here and 4 meters here, and this would be Evan. So how tall would Evan be? Well, we would just have to add the 4 meters plus 4 meters, which equals 8 meters. So Evan thinks that he can be 8 meters tall. At the boat dock, the white boat is 18 meters long. The yellow boat is 17 meters shorter than the white boat. How many meters long is the yellow boat? Let's use our scratch pad, and this time let's use our tape diagram, but go the other way. So the white boat is 18 meters long. So I'm going to write a W here for the white. I'm going to write WB for white boat. And the white boat is 18 meters long. Well, it says that the yellow boat is 17 meters shorter. So this is going to be the 17 meters, which means that this piece right here is going to be how long the yellow, or the YB, the yellow boat is. So now we just need to figure that out by saying 18 minus 17 equals the length of the yellow boat. Well, that means that the yellow boat is 1 meter long. At school, there's a competition for who can grow the tallest bean plant. Daniel's plant is the tallest at 12 centimeters. Christopher is confident that his bean plant will win even though it is currently 9 centimeters shorter than Daniel's. How tall is Christopher's plant? So let's use our scratch pad. Daniel's plant is the tallest at 12 centimeters. So we're going to draw a tape diagram. And we know that this is for Daniel. So I'm going to put a D down here for Daniel. We know that this is 12. Now we know that Christopher is confident that his plant will win even though it's currently 9 centimeters shorter. So if we go 9 centimeters shorter, this will be the 9. So then the rest of it has to equal up to what Daniel's plant is. So then this little piece right here is going to be C for Christopher. So then we would take our 12 centimeters and subtract our 9 centimeters to figure out how tall Christopher's plant is, which means that Christopher's plant is 3 centimeters tall. Super job. Anthony has drawn a hopscotch that is 13 meters long, and Nathan has drawn one that is 10 meters shorter. How long is Nathan's hopscotch? Well, let's draw it. I used to love doing hopscotch, so let's draw this long hopscotch here, 13 meters long. So this is Anthony's. So I'm going to put an A for Anthony. And then we know that Nathan drew one, but it was 10 meters shorter. So this is going to be the 10 meters that it's shorter, which means that this leftover piece has to equal the same amount as Anthony's. And this little piece right here is going to be how long Nathan's is. So to figure that piece out, we know that this piece plus this piece, 10 plus this missing piece equals 13. Or we could have looked at it as 13 minus 10 equals something. we would see that that missing number in both equations is 3. So Nathan's hopscotch is 3 meters long. Anna has drawn a hopscotch that is 14 meters long, and Landon has drawn one that is 7 meters shorter. How long is Landon's hopscotch? So let's draw this out real quick. We know that this is this is Anna's. Anna has 14. This one is 7 meters shorter. So then what is left? Well, what is left is how long Landon's is. So 7 plus something equals 14. Well, if we know our doubles, we know that 7 plus 7 equals 14. So then Landon's is 7 meters long. Olivia's skipping rope is 15 meters shorter than Isabella's rope, which is 19 meters long. Which rope is longer? So it says here that Olivia's skipping rope is 15 meters shorter than Isabella's, and Isabella's is 19 meters long. So if hers is 19 meters. We don't know how long Olivia's is. We know Olivia's is 15 meters shorter, so we would have to take the length of Isabella's and subtract the length that it is shorter. So 19 minus 15 equals 4. So Olivia's is 4 meters and Isabella's is 9 meters. So which one is larger? Well, that would be Isabella's. Nice work. At the hobby store, Sydney is looking at model cars. The white car is 19 meters long. The silver car is 14 meters shorter than the white car. So which car is longer? Well, we know the white car is 19 meters long. And the silver car is shorter than that one. So 19 is 14 meters shorter, which is going to leave us with 5 meters. So the silver car is 5 meters and the white car is 19 meters. So which car is longer? Well, the white car is longer. Darren has a secret underwater base. That sounds fun. That is 18 meters underwater. Natalie has one that is 17 meters underwater. Who has the deeper water base? Well, we know that Darren's water base is 18 meters. And it says that Natalie has one that is 17 meters. So we already know what Natalie's is 17. So which one is deeper, 17 or 18? Well, 18. So Darren has the deeper underwater base. Nice work. Addison has a stick that is 7 meters long, and Austin has one that is 5 meters shorter. Who has the longer stick? So Addison has a stick that is 7 meters long, so I'm going to say that that one's 7, and Austin has one that is 5 meters shorter, so that little bit, and we know that this to this here is 5. So we can start with 7 minus 5, and 7 minus 5 equals 2. So Addison's stick equals 7 centimeters, and Austin, another A, so I'll put AD for Addison, and Austin has one that is 2 centimeters. So whose is longer? Well, that would be Addison's. Connor's yard is 12 centimeters long. Caden's yard is 6 centimeters shorter than Connor's. Who has the longer yard? Well, we know that Connor's yard is 12 centimeters. This tells us right here, Connor's yard is 12 centimeters long. And Caden's yard is 6 centimeters shorter. So if it's shorter, then we need to subtract 12 minus 6, which equals 6. So Connor's yard is Caden's yard is 6 centimeters. And Connor's yard is 12. So who has the longer yard? Well, that would be Connor. Awesome job. Thanks for helping me with metric units of length up to 100.